Welcome to World Best Car. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting compact cars ever made, the Maruti Cervo. This delightful little car has captured the hearts of many, and in this video, we'll take you through everything that makes the Maruti Cervo a perfect choice for a wide variety of car buyers. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore why the Maruti Cervo might just be your next dream car. Maruti Suzuki, a name synonymous with reliability, efficiency, and style, took the Indian automobile market by storm with the launch of the Maruti Cervo. This stylish, compact, and highly affordable city car made its debut with one main goal: to revolutionize urban commuting. With its excellent blend of practicality, efficiency, and innovative design, the Cervo is the car that doesn't just meet your needs but exceeds your expectations. Let's begin by talking about its design. The Maruti Cervo is a prime example of how small can be beautiful. Compact yet bold, the Cervo sports a sleek, modern look with smooth curves and sharp lines that make it stand out on the road. The front of the car features a trendy grille, with distinctive headlights that exude both elegance and power. Whether you're cruising through city streets or heading to the suburbs, the Maruti Cervo is guaranteed to grab attention. Now, let's talk about something that makes the Cervo stand out from other cars in its segment: its space. Don't let its compact size fool you. Inside, the Maruti Cervo is surprisingly spacious. The cabin is designed to give you maximum comfort, offering plenty of room for both the driver and passengers. The clever use of space ensures that the Cervo can accommodate up to 4 adults comfortably, with enough headroom and legroom to keep everyone happy during those long drives. In addition to the seating comfort, the car's boot space is also impressive for a car of this size. So, whether you're carrying groceries, luggage, or sports gear, the Cervo can handle it all. One of the standout features of the Maruti Cervo is its fuel efficiency. With rising fuel prices, it's crucial to own a car that doesn't burn a hole in your pocket. The Maruti Cervo offers just that. Its engine is designed to offer exceptional mileage, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its class. Whether you're running errands within the city or embarking on a weekend getaway, you can be sure that the Cervo will take you further with less fuel. The heart of the Maruti Cervo is its compact 660 cubic centimeters engine, which packs a punch despite its small size. This engine is built to offer optimal performance with minimal fuel consumption. The car is perfect for city driving, effortlessly zipping through traffic and easily maneuvering through tight spots. In today's world, having the latest technology in your car isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. And the Maruti Cervo does not disappoint. Moreover, its compact size makes it easier to handle and park, reducing the risk of accidents in crowded urban environments. The car's sturdy build, along with its safety features, make it a reliable choice for those who prioritize safety on the road. What truly sets the Maruti Cervo apart from other cars in its segment is the value it offers. Maruti Suzuki has long been known for providing cars that offer unbeatable value for money. With the Cervo, you're not just getting a budget-friendly car, you're getting a reliable, stylish, and fuel-efficient vehicle that delivers on all fronts. From its spacious interior to its impressive mileage and cutting-edge technology, the Cervo is a car that punches way above its weight. To sum it up, the Maruti Cervo is a true gem in the compact car category. With its modern design, spacious cabin, fuel efficiency, and safety features, it's a car that offers everything you need without breaking the bank. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or someone looking for a practical and reliable city car, the Maruti Cervo ticks all the right boxes. So, what do you think? Is the Maruti Cervo the right car for you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to World Best Car for more exciting car reviews and updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.